Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take care of eyelash extensions. Immediately after your application, keep your new lashes completely dry for at least 1 full day, ideally 2. This allows the adhesive to fully cure, ensuring maximum retention. When you do wash your face, be very gentle around your eyes. Use a soft, lint-free cloth and pat dry instead of rubbing. Proper initial care is crucial for long-lasting results. Maintaining clean lashes is key to preventing buildup and infections. Use a specially formulated, oil-free lash cleanser every day. Apply a small amount to your fingertips or a soft brush and gently massage it into your lash line. Rinse thoroughly with cool water, making sure no residue remains. After cleansing, gently pat your lashes dry and then brush them to keep them fluffy and perfectly aligned. This simple routine makes a big difference. Certain products can significantly shorten the life of your extensions. Oil-based products, including many makeup removers and cleansers, can break down the adhesive bond. Always check labels for oil-free or extension-safe. Waterproof mascara and eyeliner are also big no-nos because they require harsh rubbing to remove. Furthermore, never use a mechanical eyelash curler. It can bend or break your delicate extensions. Stick to extension-friendly options for best results. To keep your lashes looking full and beautiful, regular maintenance is essential. Plan to get professional fills every 2 to 3 weeks, depending on your natural lash cycle and how well you care for them. Resist the urge to rub your eyes or pull at your extensions, as this can cause premature shedding and damage your natural lashes. Remember, gentle handling is paramount for longevity. Also, for other great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.